गो हो गई स्टार्ट. ओके. हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द बुक्स दैट आई एम गोइंग टू रीड ड्यूरिंग दिस क्वारंटीन. सिंस सारी नई बुक्स जो थी वो सब खत्म हो गई हैं and I have no other choice but to reread. But actually, I already had a plan of rereading these books when 2020 began because I thought these are good books, I love them, but मुझे exactly इनकी story याद नहीं है. And what's the point of owning a copy and just letting them lie in my bookshelf? Although I don't have a bookshelf. No. Whatever. So yeah, so let's see which books I'm going to reread, and if you also go ahead and reread some of the books, some of your books, then do drop their name in the comment box below. Okay, so let's dive in. The first one is this book, When I Hit You by Meena Kandasamy. Sorry for the pronunciation, excuse me for that. Okay, so this book is about the author's abusive marriage, and she has narrated it like she has not named herself in the book, but it is known that it is about her marriage. So she has I think this book still hasn't been appreciated as much as it should have been, because she has very beautifully described what she went through and how she came out of it. She fell in love, she had a love marriage of which society was against. So coming out of it, getting out of this marriage was hard for her, because she knew that everybody is going to tell her family that this is this is how you have raised your daughter, and that she was the one who chose this guy and now she is leaving him. So there were a lot of things, lot of factors, and she has explained them so beautifully that yes, I will give this book a read again, because I think I need to remember them. It needs more attention. I think people need to read it more, people need to learn from it. And yes, so I think this book is one of the rereads I will be doing this year. Next up is this book, The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. So this book is sort of a semi-autobiographical novel of this author. So she has written about her life, and okay, so I won't give you any spoilers, because if I explain to you what this book is about, that will be a huge spoiler. So I'll just say that this book is very good. The climax is very good, and I could not keep it down even for a minute. I loved reading this book, so I think this would be the next one. Okay, next, The Hungry Tide by Amitav Ghosh. So I'm already halfway through this book. I have started rereading it, and I had completely forgotten about this book. Like, I had no idea of the storyline. I just remember that it took place in the Sundarbans. And yeah, halfway through it, and I know why I love this book so much, and I am absolutely enjoying rereading it. And I can't believe I let this story slip from my mind. It is so good. Next up, Half of a Yellow Sun. Again, I do not know how to pronounce the name, so I'm just going to go ahead and say Adichie, the surname. So this is a historical fiction book, and I love historical fictions. And it's a new author. It was the first book of this author that I picked up. After that, I went ahead and picked up more books, and none of them disappointed me. So yeah, this one. Okay, next up is Remnants of a Separation by Aanchal Malhotra. I think I talk about this book a lot on my channel and my Instagram page. But yes, it is that good. The writing is that beautiful, and I think it's worth it. It's about the partition of India. The story is told through materials. Like, she begins talking about the people who survived the partition and the materials they brought along with them, and why did they choose those materials, and then she explores the various stories they went through. So yeah, this one. Last book that I have is this one, Beyond Three Words by Akshay Jamwal. Okay, so this was just a random pick. Like, I picked this up from book fair, like those 20 rupees books that I get, and this one turned out to be so good. It is such a good thriller. It has a very good climax, and it's short, and it's an Indian author, and I am not a fan of Indian authors. Like, I have not read many good Indian authors, so this was such a big surprise. I slightly remember what the climax was, but I really want to reread it again and see that if my 2020 self still enjoys this one. Yeah, so So these were the 6 books that I have decided that I will reread this lockdown. And if you guys go ahead and give any of your books a reread, then drop the names in the comment below, and maybe we'll discuss it, or connect with me on any of my platforms. I've added the links in my description box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.